This is a famous 2-ingredient dessert that everybody loves to make. Let's make it together. We're going to start off by adding 1 cup of sugar to a pan, and we are preparing a delicious caramel for our dessert. With just 2 ingredients, you can make this at home too. All right, we're going to give that sugar a stir. You'll notice it starts to melt. When your sugar is melted and looks like this, we're going to add in some water. So I've got 1/2 cup of water here. You just want to add that water gradually. So add a bit of water, give it a stir, keep stirring, and add that remaining water here. You'll notice that your caramel has become thin. We don't want this to be too thick. That's pretty important, but make sure you're constantly stirring. You have to keep stirring and don't stop. When it looks something like this, we can go ahead and turn the heat off, and we're going to pour that caramel into a mold, but be careful because it is super hot. Go ahead and take your spatula and spread it evenly around all the edges just like this, and we're going to set this aside and move on to the next step. So to prepare the rest of the recipe, we're going to need 10 eggs. Break those eggs into a bowl just like this, and using an ice cream scoop, we're going to separate the yolk from the egg whites. We want to save these yolks for another recipe so they don't go to waste, but we're going to add the egg whites into a larger bowl, and we're going to repeat this process with the 10 eggs. This way you can just super easily and quickly remove those egg yolks. It just takes a few seconds, as you can see. Go ahead and set that yolk aside, pour the egg whites into the larger bowl, and repeat this process with all 10 of your eggs. All right, when you've got all your egg whites here, go ahead and beat those egg whites. I've got an electric mixer here. Now, when your egg whites are fluffy and white and they look like this, they're ready to go. This is the texture we're looking for. At this stage, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Go ahead and stir that again until we have a nice, beautiful cream. And there you have it. Our cream is ready. This is the ideal texture we're looking for. Go ahead and remove your mixer now, and we can go ahead and set this aside. Now in our mold with caramel, we are going to add those egg whites with the sugar caramel that we made earlier. Go ahead and just add some small amounts like this. Now I'm telling you, there is no way this recipe won't turn out perfectly. It's so delicious. Add all the egg whites and arrange and spread them just like this so they totally cover the caramel. Organize it however you'd like. Mine's looking like this. And you can see my mold is quite full here. But you can place your mold into a larger one just like this. And then we're going to add water halfway up the mold. Once you add your water, we're going to bake this at 320 degrees for 30 minutes. After baking and cooling our dessert, our recipe is ready. We have to give this a try. This recipe is so beautiful and the flavor is absolutely incredible. You need to try this at home, and it's so easy to make too. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you give it a try.